Today, we will be exploring how to import custom groups using Excel. Custom groups can be manually created on the Edugence website, but in this video, we will be going over how to create custom groups with an Excel file. First, head over to the Custom Group tab on the left-hand sidebar. Then, click the Import button in the top right. In this pop-up, you will be able to drag and drop an Excel file with your custom groups. Before we move on, we will show you how to create an Excel file with the right format for your custom groups. To get the correct format, click the button to the right of Import, labeled File Format. This should open up an Excel file with examples. Here, we can edit the data to match what we are trying to create. Remember, the column headers must be student_ID and custom group with no space in between. When inputting the student IDs, make sure the ID numbers are correct. If the student ID is not for an active student in Edugence, the group will not be created. Also, the group names have to be unique, so make sure you come up with a very unique group name. Maybe use your name plus a descriptor for the group so that your group doesn't conflict with a name used by someone else. Now that we've finished creating our Excel file, we can head back to the custom group page on Edugence. Here, we can drag our file into the box and select Upload. Once the group has been uploaded, you can select the group. Just like in the previous video, you will be able to see all the data for this group, but here we will focus on the Settings tab in the top left dropdown. Only the owners, super users, and system administrators can go to the Settings tab. In this Settings tab, I can share the group with other users who are not linked to these students through the Student Information System. If we want to give an entire role access to this group, head to the User Group section. For example, if I check the Campus Administrator box, it'll give access to all campus administrators in your district. Be careful, since all staff in your district with the chosen roles will be able to see the group. If you only want to give access to individual users, I can use the Allowed Users box. First, click Add User and search for the user. For example, if I search for Smith, all users with Smith will show up. Then I will select the users and click Save. When the pop-up closes and you are finished adding staff, click Save. We hope you've enjoyed this tutorial on how to import custom groups using Excel. Thanks and happy teaching.